Hi guys, it's Danny here. I'm a college student at DePaul, and today I'm going to be showing you the Urban Swing W70 wired headphones. What I like about these is that they're very practical for school, studying, gaming, and everyday use. Since they do come with a wire, you don't need to connect to Bluetooth, no batteries, nothing is needed. It comes with a 3.5 millimeter wired headset. It comes with a USB-C adapter, a hard shell case, and a user manual. So it feels like a full bundle right out of the box. So I'll show you guys here. If you have like the newer devices, like the newest phone and tablets, all you have to do is push this in, and then it works as a USB-C port, which is really, really nice. I could show you, since my phone is USB-C, plug it in right here, and then the headphones are connected. Here you can see that they are connected, and then when I take this off, connect it to my computer. There you go. The design is foldable. As you can see, it's already folded. You could unfold it like this, and you could turn the heads too. They are also adjustable to your head size, which is really, really nice. The cable itself is braided and it's 4.9 feet, so you have some space to move around. I use this for when I'm in college for all my Zoom calls, my lectures. There's also a built-in mic right here. You can answer phone calls, put the volume up. I use this when I'm doing podcasts. The ear cushions are very soft, which is really, really nice. And overall, I think this is a solid headset for college students, online classes, studying, travel, and gaming. I use this while gaming too. It's simple, useful, and comes with accessories you actually need.